In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close a Fidelity account. This process involves several important steps to ensure everything is in order before you can successfully close your account. Let's start with the first step, removing all cash and investments from your account. Fidelity requires the account balance to be $0 before the account can be closed. This is crucial because any remaining funds or investments need to be handled properly. You have two options here. You can either sell your investments and withdraw the cash or transfer your assets to another Fidelity account or a different brokerage firm. This step is important because it ensures that nothing is left behind in the account. Once you've taken care of your investments, the next step is to wait for all transactions to settle. Make sure that all trades have settled and that there are no pending transfers. Double-check that your account balance is absolutely $0. This step is vital because unsettled transactions can delay the closure process. By ensuring everything is settled, you can move forward with confidence. With your account balance at zero, it's time to download important documents. Save any statements, tax forms, and trade confirmations. These documents will be essential for your future reference and tax filing. It's always a good idea to have these records on hand as they provide a comprehensive history of your account activities. Now, let's move on to using Fidelity's virtual assistant to submit your closure request. First, log into your Fidelity account. Once logged in, open the virtual assistant and type Close Account. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to submit your request. For accounts with a zero balance, this method is typically straightforward. You will see that the instructions guide you through every necessary step to ensure your request is processed smoothly. After submitting your request, Fidelity will process it and provide confirmation once the account has been closed. This confirmation reassures you that everything has been completed correctly. It's like a final checkmark on your to-do list. Sometimes you may find that you can't close the account online. This can happen with certain retirement or specialized accounts. If this is the case, you will need assistance from Fidelity Customer Service. You can reach them by phone at 800-3433-548. This step ensures you have the help you need to navigate any complexities that might arise. Before we wrap up, there are a few important notes to consider. Closing a taxable brokerage account may have tax consequences if you sell investments before closing. It's wise to be aware of these potential implications. Also, sometimes residual dividends or interest can appear after the closure, which may require a final follow-up. It's good to know that Fidelity typically does not charge a fee to close an account, so you can proceed without worrying about unexpected costs. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to close your Fidelity account with confidence. Remember to take your time with each step, ensuring everything is in order. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you.